I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of.
Good morning and welcome to day 12 of my 30-day healthy restart. So you saw that I made the sweet blueberry biscuit into waffles this morning. Well, one turned out fine and one is my crumble topping. I'm actually going to put those in a Tupperware container and take those to work because I'm running late. And you also saw me prepare my spinach pesto mac and cheese, just like I do my cheesy buttermilk mac and cheese. I'm going to let that sit in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and then when I come home for lunch, I will pop it in the air fryer. And I know that that one's discontinued too. Again, before it went out of stock, I bought a few boxes. Anyway, like I said, I'm running a little bit late, so I am going to head to work, and you will see what I have for my second fueling. Well, I'm home for lunch, and I just got my spinach pesto mac and cheese out of the refrigerator. It's been in there for a few hours, and if you can see, it's kind of thickened up, and the noodles have been absorbed so they won't be crunchy. So now I'm going to place this in my air fryer, and just like I do with the other mac and cheese, I'm going to put it on 400 for 11 minutes. All right. Here it is. Now, doesn't that look delicious? Again, just like the cheesy buttermilk mac and cheese, it's like baked mac and cheese. And I just stirred around to get the Laughing Cow pieces to melt to make it even creamier. All right, I'm going to go enjoy this, and I will check back after lunch. All right, well, I am headed back to work after lunch. I am bringing the barbecue crunchers for my fourth fueling, and I will see you when I get home from work. Well, I'm home from work, and it is Friday night, and I have a long 3-day weekend ahead of me because Monday is Memorial Day. So I was trying to think what to have for my lean and green tonight, and I decided to use my mini cauliflower crusts that I made and make mini turkey pepperoni pizzas. Mike's coming over, and he is not a big fan of cauliflower. So I'm going to do something similar for him, but I am going to make his on a pita. And I will let you see exactly how I do it, but I'm gonna break it down for you. So 2 mini cauliflower crusts are 2 greens and 1/3 lean. So I'm gonna heat the crust up in the microwave. I'm going to preheat my oven to 425. Now, my third green is going to be a 1/4 cup of the Rao's tomato basil, and I'll separate that between the 2 mini crusts. And the protein is going to be 1/2 cup of reduced fat mozzarella cheese, so a 1/4 cup on each mini pizza. And then the rest of the lean will be made up by a few slices of turkey pepperoni. It's going to amount to about 0.3 ounces. So I'm going to get that started and you can see how I put it all together. Okay, well, I have my delicious looking mini cauliflower pepperoni pizzas, and I have Mike's pita pepperoni pizzas, and we're going to go enjoy our lean and greens, and then we'll see if Mike likes his. All right, Mike, the big taste test. I made the crust with a pita, so hopefully it's good.
It's really tasty.
Good, good, I'm glad.
Thank you very much.
Yep, now I'm excited to try mine. It's waiting over there, along with my lime LaCroix. All right, well, I am excited to have pizza on a Friday night. This is really good. It's hard to believe that I get to eat all of this. All right, well, I will report back for my last fueling.
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe?
So I'm here for my last fueling. Mike and I are watching a movie and just kind of relaxing tonight. So I am going to say goodnight and have my chocolate pudding with Ready Whip. And I will see you tomorrow.
Fooling around in all your honesty. Don't think you got you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I think you're addicted to drama. It keeps you.
Good morning. It is Saturday morning, day 13. So you saw my first fueling. I made the buttermilk biscuits, I waffled them, and then I put them in the toaster and topped them with 1 tablespoon of reduced fat cream cheese for 1 condiment. It was kind of an experiment because I was thinking, you know, there is a toaster at work, and if I waffled my biscuit before I went to work, I could then toast them at work and get them nice and fresh. So you'll probably be seeing that in the upcoming days. So my plan for today, I need to clean up my kitchen, and I also need to make more Nespresso pods. Mike and I had the very last 2 this morning. I just had it black, so I didn't bore you with that. Then after that, Mike and I are going to go to one of our county metro parks to go for a walk, a little more scenic than around my neighborhood. And my goal is to walk 3 miles today, so we will see. And then I will check back for my second fueling.
You already messed it up. You already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, got me romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
All right, we are headed to the park to walk our 3 miles, and I have brought my second fueling, the campfire s'more bar that I'm gonna have on the way. And Mike is driving, he's already had one of his bars. So we will see you on our walk. So Mike and I are going to go to Texas Roadhouse for our lean and green tonight. I have looked at the Optavia dining out guide, and at Texas Roadhouse, a complete lean and green is a 6-ounce sirloin steak with a side of green beans. So that is what I am going to get. I will go ahead and link the dining out guide in the description box below in case you're interested to see what other restaurants they have there. So we are going to head out, and I will see you there. Well, it's time for my last fueling. I am just having the brownie with some whipped topping. So it's been a pretty good day. We had our 3-mile walk, we had a nice dinner out. If you like this video, please like it below and subscribe to my channel and tick that notification bell so you can be alerted every time I post a new video. So I'm gonna say goodnight and I will see you tomorrow.